All right, welcome back to LearnWire. So you guys are probably wondering which one that I pick up. Was it Visi or was it Lindo? I know that in my comparison video, I slightly gave the edge or win to Visi, but that deal's gone, right? I would make a guess that they probably will come back in a few months, maybe another last call or another event that there is Sumo Days that comes out in the summertime. I'm sure that one will be a deal that will come back. But needless to say, I actually ended up going with Lindo. I just could not turn down because of it really matters what your goals are in your business. And I'm planning on doing rank and rent, right? Which is building a bunch of websites and trying to rank from basically one keyword, right? So they're very one page, 4 pages max websites that you're really just intentionally trying to rank for one keyword that gets 100 to 500 visitors per month. And it's a very laser targeted keyword. So I don't really need all the WordPress and the fancy plugins and all this and that, right? I just need a web page to put some content on so that I can go out and rank it. And this is where these two tools really came in, and they both shined. I really wanted to pick up both of them, but I just couldn't calculate how this would make any sense for me to have like 150 what is this, tier 5? So 150 websites. And then I really wanted Visi as well, but I absolutely wanted the exporting feature. And the exporting feature was their tier 3, and their tier 3 plan in Visi, it was like $299, right? Or no, it was like the tier 4 over here. So they had tier 4. And in order to get tier 4 on Visi, it was $399 for 50 websites. I know that they had the exact same pricing, but you got the exporting of the sites, and I really liked that. Okay. But there was some things back and forth, like over here, you get editor seats, you get, there's a lot of things about Visi that Lindo that just wins, right? A lot of you on the Visi side, they don't even have it in their plans yet to even add users to the websites, right? So if you wanted to use Visi as an agency, build a website, hand it over to a client, you wouldn't be able to give them login information, right? So it doesn't really work for that model. Now, Lindo is 100% set up for the model of literally client building websites for clientele and then giving them access. It's already fully hosted and everything. So it's 100% hands off for the client that you're going to build the website for. And so Lindo is set up for that. So that really was a deal breaker for me. And then also when I started fooling around with Lindo, let me go and log in. I'm going to show you everything today, guy. I'm going to show you the website that I built with it as well. So let me go and log in real quick. So we're in there and there's the portal. You can see 150 websites right here. Boom. I did buy license tier 3 and we can go into all websites, and I have one right over here. I actually built Six Figure Freedom Club, like a landing page for selling a course. I don't know if Lindo even decided that was one of their, I believe that they at least have the idea that you'd be able to do this, because if you go to create new site, they do have an option for courses, like a digital product or something like that. Let me show you like a bunch of different things. We're going to go into the Slack account where they do customer support. I can show you my experience with that. So overall, just like right off the bat, I used the heck out of this over the weekend. I worked yesterday. I built this landing page and so forth. I'll show you the insides of that, but let's just go and take a look at the page, guys. Now, I know that I have introduced the Six Figure Freedom Club community to you guys in the past, and I'm going to be adding more courses. So this might be more interesting to LearnWire audience as I start building and adding more courses to the community. I'll show you the community as well in a minute, kind of plugging in, just showing you some updates and so forth, and why some of you might want to join now. I know that you guys also like lifetime deals, but I don't believe I'm going to offer a lifetime deal for this, but I have just created an annual subscription where you can sign up for a year and you actually save $97. So super, super cool. I'll leave the link below to Lindo if you want to go pick up Lindo for this video, because that's really what I want to do, is show you Lindo, the webpage that I built, and talk about my experience with it so far, show you the customer support and so forth. This is a pretty dang cool tool. And then also it's fitting because I'm showing you what my major product, which is a community, built on an amazing platform, and I can show you that as well. And some of you might be interested in coming and seeing what it's all about and so forth. Okay. This is the page that I built. Look at this. We're in Lindo right here. Six Figure Freedom Club. Very easy. Six Figure Freedom Club. I went and registered that in Namecheap, and then I changed the C records and the DNS, sent it over to Lindo. And I did have a little bit of an issue with one of so 3 out of the 4, like C name and host and all that, 3 of them connected, 1 of them didn't. So I reached out, and the owner or whatever or creator, this guy right over here, Sehed, this guy is the one that's primarily doing most of the support, which is interesting. I'm not really sure what the size of the company is, but this guy's doing most of the support as well. So it really tells me that it's a pretty small operation. You don't get the feeling that they have 20 people working on this and so forth, because he's answering a lot of the help desk questions. Who knows? Maybe they're in the process of getting more people in there that can do that. Maybe this guy is like the main coder as well, and can answer the questions because he coded the website and so forth, right? The tool. So that's just something to be aware of. But so far, I've been able to get the customer support that I needed, which is really great. You can see in here, we can go and view the website inside of here. And I just have the homepage, the cookie policy, and the privacy policy. Both of these get filled out automatically. And I didn't know that, but you go in there and you open it up. Look, it literally says Six Figure Freedom Club, and it basically writes this whole thing out for you. And it does that for you automatically, which is super cool. There are some weird things, like I opened that page up. I shouldn't have any of these right over here, like services, articles, and so forth. That should be taken off, because when we go and look at the page over here and we go all the way to the bottom, I have a different footer down here, right? So we have this footer down here with no pages at all. So there's been a couple finicky things that I've worked through that I'm still working through, because I feel like I already updated this, but then now I'm not getting I had it where I had the cookies and the privacy policy down here, but then this footer does not look like the last one that I added in there. So that's a little bit of a thing, but overall, was I able to accomplish the website that I wanted? Go ahead and click the first link below or the second link below. Go check out Six Figure Freedom Club. This is a landing page for a digital product. Now, mind you, I think this is going to be better for local, like what I'm going to be doing, like rank and rent sites. I think that Lindo is going to be the perfect website builder for that. But I wanted to just test it out and see if, hey, can I build a new sales landing page? Because I wanted to do that anyways. Can I build a new landing page that looks pretty good on this platform? So I went ahead and did that over the weekend. So we have the nice big hero heading up here. We have a video right here. And then we can go and just check it out. Now, join the Six Figure Freedom Club now, extreme value, low cost, join now. There's a button here. We can click on it, and it does anchor down to the bottom for the pricing. If you guys are interested, I figured it out. I actually had to do some integrations with Zapier and School and actually Lemon Squeeze. So or Lemon Squeezy, whatever it is, you will save, if you want to join right now, $227, you'll save $97. So it comes out to about $18 a month. And you're saving more than 3 months about 3.5 months of paying $27 a month, right? So if you pay $27 a month, you get to join, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that and show you what it looks like. Here's the community. I'll show you that. And if you guys want to stick around at the end of the video, I'll go over, hey, what are we doing inside of this community and why you might be interested in joining. We've got 43 members right now, a lot of engagement and so forth. Super cool. We're getting results. We've got people making money with affiliate marketing and so forth inside of here already. The group's only been alive for about 2 or 3 months since I created it. Super cool stuff. But here's a pricing module that just works, right? If you want to save money, this is the way to go. And I just created this over the weekend, and we'll click on that and it'll go over here to a Lemon Squeezy checkout page. Again, it'll tell you what you're getting right over here, and then you'll go and you will put in your information, and then you will get a link. Once you pay right here, then you will get a link automatically emailed to you to go and sign up for this club right over here. And then I just have to approve you, boom, and then you will have a full year of subscription. Really cool stuff. A lot of you ask for that, right? You want to save some money. And so that's the best that I feel comfortable doing, which you're saving a lot. You're saving $97 right there. The normal price on this is, what is it? $324 per year, and you're only paying $227. Okay. So let's keep looking at the page though. So we'll come back over here and keep looking. I just wanted to go and show you that these anchors, all these anchors works. We'll scroll down, like click on another anchor. It's going to take you right down to sign up. So that I was able to get that fixed. But we'll just scroll down. You're able to put in some little things like this, and you have the option to change that, right? So if we come back and we go in and we just say, hey, edit. So let's say I wanted to change what that looks like. We would easily just come in here, and I've been using this over the weekend. So now I'm feeling a lot more comfortable with using Lindo, and it's really pretty cool. So you have your blocks right over here, right? So I can just go and change the layout of the block, and then you'd be able to go in and change different things about the block. We can go and add a block right here. And then this is what I like about Lindo is that you have all these different things you can do over here. If you want to add a portfolio right here, if you want to add a feature set right over here, you would just add that in right over here. You have a feature list over here. You have testimonies. So you have different ways to put the testimonies in there. I'd like them to add more, but we have enough to get us started for now. And so you just go in here, you can see the different modules like stat modules, pricing over here. You have different pricing models over here. You have 4, 3, 2, and 1. So obviously if you had more than 4, you could put the 4 up there, and then you could add this pricing underneath there. You could make it work with what you have. It's not quite like, it's similar to like Elementor or Thrive Architect or anything like that. Like any page builders that you've used, it is very similar to that, but it is, I'm not going to say that it's definitely not better than Elementor as far as flexibility or anything like that. I've built sites with using SeedProd, and I really like SeedProd even better than Elementor. It's just easier to navigate and easier to use, but it's very similar to Elementor. It does cost money, but nonetheless, you can see how I just quickly added modules, right? So we have this one right over here. If I wanted to change this layout, look, you could change this to a different color. If you wanted to change it to a different color right there, you could. I'm gonna just stick with that one. But then you have this text right over here. So I put in my story real quick, and then I added in introducing Six Figure Freedom Club. And you can just see it's a pretty decent little sales page that we've created here. This part is a little annoying. They do ask you for the feedback right over here a lot. I'm going to go ahead and grade them right in front of you. Onboarding, I think I guess I'll give them a 4. And generated content quality, I think that the generated content quality that came out, I would say it's a 4 as well. I'm just going to say, okay, so you guys can pause the video and read what I put right there. That's an honest feedback. And I'm going to say submit. So hopefully they can stop. We're happy to boom, boom. Okay. So hopefully they get that a little pop-up. It's going to keep going until you give them. So that part is just super annoying. And I know that would annoy you guys as well. So I went ahead, and because I'm tired of the pop-up after working on this for hours, I'm tired of the pop-up. So I went ahead and just gave them their review. So it worked, but it just makes you annoyed, right? We've got these different things right over here, and you can just see it's pretty quality, right? So this is something that you would use ClickFunnels for. You would use Elementor and Word. It's a similar page. It's a pretty decent page. Now there's things that you're not going to get with this. If you're building I wanted to build a fancy page, and I'm not going to be able to get borders, shadow borders. There's no options for that, right? Like when we click over or hover over this, there's no options to add blurriness or border or shadowing or anything like that on the images. And so those are things, I think that those will come. This just launched, right? And so those things will come. And then there's this really cool banner right here that I added right over here. Once I keep scrolling down, you'll see in the live site, right? When we come through here, let's go back to this. Once you get down to this part right here, then it sticks, right? So this part right here, it's called a blog banner, and then it stays there. So someone has the option at any moment to go and say, start today. That's super cool. Then we have real results. This is actually real, guys, taken directly from the Six Figure Freedom Club community. People making real affiliate commissions so far. And then you can see right over here, this is real feedback inside the community of people that are loving the community and getting really good value out of it. Of course, you get courses, case studies, live monthly mastermind calls, and so forth. It's just like the way I think about it is that I've sold so many courses over the last few years and made tens of thousands of dollars from doing that. And I often sell courses I've sold courses for $49, $197, $500. And so just this course alone right here, YT Affiliate Blueprint, you only get access to this if you join the Six Figure Freedom Club. It's 2.5 hours of some of my best training I've ever come up with. It's exactly what to do to make money online using YouTube and affiliate marketing. It's 100% exactly. There's nothing that I left out. I literally build the business right in front of you, tell you exactly what to do and what I do on a daily basis. So this 2.5 hour course right here, this is easily a $97 course. And just this alone is worth $27 to come in and take this course and go and start building your business. And then if you cancel, then you cancel, but you got your value because this course is worth way more than $27. So I stand by my pricing. I know the quality and value that I'm actually bringing to the table with this community, and I actually want to help. And you'll see that. I'll show you proof in a minute. I'll show you how much time I actually put into the community if you join. So super cool stuff. And then you get live case studies and all webinar recordings, live coaching call recordings. You get all that as well. There's a lot of work that I'm putting into this as well. And that's why I'm not going to just think about it, right? Just think about Chris Derenberger, right? Really straight up guy, very ethical affiliate marketer. He's now in the software game and he's created 2 giant softwares, Questify and AI Wisemind. And he's not offering a lifetime deal on any of those. They're monthly subscriptions because he knows the value and he knows that he will not have his doors open in 2 years if he offers lifetime deals. So you have to value that as a business. I'm not willing to do that. This isn't a software. This is something that I'm putting a lot of customer support into this community. And so I wanted the barrier to entry to be very low at $27, not $97 per month. And there's a lot of school communities and so forth of people teaching the same stuff, possibly how to make money online, and they're charging $97 or more per month. Okay. You're just getting a lot of value. And that's why I don't have a lifetime deal available for this. So then you can have these, like right over here, this was a stat right over here. So that's like when I come over here and show you in the editing block. Let me come down to the editing block right over here. If you wanted to change this, you would just go change layout, and then you could go and select a different one. There's more than that. I'm not really sure. So if I actually went in and added a block and then we went into stats, there's another one right over here. So you could add that stat in, and then you could go in and change the layout, and then you would have even more. So like right here. So that part you could see was a little like the navigation between that is not that great. You have to figure out some of the quirkinesses of the tool, but after you use it for a while, you start understanding. I'm going to go ahead and remove that now, but nonetheless, we'll keep cruising. And then I just put some images in there, some proof of earnings and so forth. And then this part, I really liked the way that the pricing came together. It worked really well. I did have to reach out and get a little bit of help, and I'll show you that in a minute. And here's some Q&A and so forth. So anyway, click the first link below. Sorry, the second link. First link is going to be Lindo AI. I want you guys to go pick it up if you need a website builder. I went in tier 5. I spent the $400 or the $500 to get that. And I built a website to show you guys that you can build a website. This one I spent a lot more time than I'm going to on my rank and rent sites, or I spend a lot more time than I'm probably going to even spend on a customer's website. This is my own product right here, and I'm building like a sales page type thing. So it's going to require a little bit more work and time, but let me go in to the Slack account. So we're right over here. We got people. I'm doing a single page website. The header on top is basically just anchors to various sections, blah, blah, blah. So you're getting help inside of here. And I posted this right over here, and I've got 11 replies over here. And you can see that this guy, Saeed, he has answered everything back. He's fixed things. He got I sent him this right over here. Hey, this is not working. Fix that. And then he got back and he connected the domain, and he just said that mine was a unusual case or something like that, but I'm just using Namecheap, and I followed the exact directions that they had, and it didn't work, but he fixed it really quickly. That was last night on a Sunday night. So I've had you can pause the video and read all this, just some different things that I've requested and shared about my journey building that page. For the most part, there was something going on with the buttons when I created the buttons, like in the editor. And then when we would come down, I couldn't get the anchors to work and so forth. If you go and change out an anchor, let me show you how to do that real quick. So if you go to an anchor and you click on it, you're going to have these URL, open page, apps, or an anchor. What an anchor does, and you have all these sections. So one thing, they need to fix this part. It needs to actually have the headline and not just section 28. How do you know what section you're on? So anyway, this part right over here was weird. And so we updated that and we got that fixed. And then there was some pricing where I couldn't get, even though I set everything up, when you clicked on these buttons down here, they weren't clicking on or sending people over to the buttons, basically weren't working. So we fixed those. Overall, I have to say that customer support, even though it seems like it's just him right now, he's on it. He's inside of here. Look, ask for help. So they have a Slack community right over here, announcements, feedback. I've spent all my time in ask for help, and he generally has gotten back very quickly within hours and has fixed the stuff that I need fixed with. So overall, I think this is just going to be one of those things where it's an investment. You're investing in the company. It's going to grow. You're going to have to grow with it. Have some patience. It's not perfect right now, but I can imagine in 6 months to a year where this will be pretty dang cool. Was I able to build a full-fledged functional landing page for my product? Yes, I was able to. I had some hurdles, but I was able to get the support that I needed on their Slack customer support right here. And overall, I'm pleased with the way this looks. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think this looks pretty good? I don't think it looks any different than what you would build on any other builders, really. I think we've got some nice images. There's not going to be as much customization. I get that, right? Like I'm talking about the shadowing and maybe changing backgrounds and things like that. But I think that's going to come. So overall, I think this is functional, looks really good. Okay, so let me talk real quick for just a couple minutes about Six Figure Freedom Club. If you guys stick around, I'm going to go ahead and put timestamps around because I want people to see. But we have 43 members. You can come up here at any time. You're going to see we have commented on my post. Like I've got people that are looking for, let's go over here. We've got Steven right over here, an active member. I just created a challenge right here, and it's February leaderboard prizes and 15 video challenge prizes. So you can pause the video and read that. But basically, this is encouraging engagement in the community and growth, because at the end of the day, you're going to get rewarded and you're going to get a prize for building your own business. So building and publishing content on YouTube, I'm going to pay you money, right? Like you can't get any better than that. Someone paying you, giving you a gift card and giving you time. So first place will get an hour free call with me and a $25 gift card. And then when you come down here, if you actually do 15 videos in February, and all the training is in the classroom, I'll show you that in a second. 15 videos in February, then the first 3 people to finish the challenge and actually publicly publish it or publicly let us know, they're going to get a $100 gift card, right? So you can potentially win first, second, or third place prize up here and $100 right here. So $125. The membership only costs $27 a month, right? I'm really wanting to get success stories. I want people to succeed, and I have the formula, and I can show you that, and I can prove to you that the formula works. But we do have some really good engaged. Angie right over here is just 3 times more engaged, almost 3 times more engaged than second place. And they're posting their journey. They're giving back to the community. They're publishing, sharing with us the GPTs that they're creating in the community. They're sharing that they've created 6 videos and all the success that they're having, and they're sharing their journey. And that's what the whole point of having a community of people that are going along the journey with you. I'm not going to name drop, but I have other people that have joined that have been members for 3 months that haven't done anything, and they haven't even taken the course. And I got to wonder, why did you join? Why are you paying money when you're not even taking action on the advice I'm giving and the courses and the steps, right? We have clear steps. When you come into the community, you go over here, introduce yourself, and it'll tell you right here, step 1, introduce yourself. Step 2, go mark your calendars for our live calls. We have 2 right now per month. Step 3, go take the YT affiliate blueprint, right? And then join this video creation challenge, and then the journey begins, right? And so we have members that have been paying and aren't taking any action whatsoever. I don't know what they're doing. I am doing everything I can for engagement. But then we have people like on the leaderboard that are engaged. They're crushing it. Abi right here, he is making money with affiliate marketing, and he's made posts right over here. We can come over here to our quick wins section. Just click on quick wins. Stats so far, $294 in affiliate commissions since joined on December 18th, 2023. Here's one of my success stories. 400 subs on my brand new channel, Canva Creatives Hub. Boom. And you can see the proof right over here. Look, there's a picture of me right there, and over 10,000 views, 400 subscribers. I'm showing you exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel the right way. And here's the case study. You get full access to the journey, going from literally no subscribers whatsoever. I had no subscribers right here. Look, 0 subscribers, boom. And then I have 400 right now. You get to see all along the journey right there. Okay. And then this course right here, YT Affiliate Blueprint, is just, this is the golden nugget. You take this course right here, and then you should be off to the races to make money with faceless YouTube channels, simple tutorial-based channels. You can go out there and make money as well. And then, of course, the calendar, this is where you're going to go, and you're going to join the Zoom call. And then when you do that, and if you miss, or if you want to watch it again, all you have to do is just come over here. Look, January 24th, just a few days ago, here's an hour-and-a-half long training that you can go. We have motivation and goal setting right over here. And you can see we had 7 people on that call, so forth. So this is a really great investment that I stand by, highest quality, a product that I've ever put in, that I've ever created. And you guys, a lot of you have purchased a lot of products from me, and I really appreciate that. But this one is where I'm going to live and breathe right now. And I'm going to be adding in more courses. So even inside the classroom, all I have to do is push new course. And right over here, what I want to do is have a rank and rent course, right? I want to have anything else I'm doing, an affiliate, what is it? The Amazon affiliate program or the Amazon influencer program. I make money from that as well, right? So like other techniques, I realize that some people might come in and they might just not want to do YouTube. I'm going to provide other ways. And I know that LearnWire audience really wants more website and SEO related stuff. So guess what? Before I do that, I'm actually going in and ranking websites and so forth. And once I have a model down and so forth, I'll be creating a course, and you guys will be very interested in joining. And when we come over to the community, there'll be more sections. We do have a website and SEO section right over here, but we might be able to put a rank and rent section over here, and we can start bringing in members that are interested in other ways of making money online. But right now it's primarily focused on YouTube and affiliate marketing. I'd love to have you come and join. Remember, there's 2 ways to join. There's an annual, you save a lot of money, or you can go in even at the $27 a month. It's a ridiculous price. And you can see right over here, just talking to you right now, we're getting a ton of engagement right over here. People are loving this. And we've got Isaac saying, love this, I'm going for it. We've got Angie, she's using Descript, but still using the ScreenPal screen recorder. It's a bit of a pain to switch between them, but I was getting the hang of it. Are you able to add a blur inside of Descript? And then I am pretty sure you can. And then we have somebody inside the community that is building an entire video editing channel, and primarily around Descript. So you get to come in here to this kind of mastermind community, and you'll be able to join and see how other people are growing, see what's working for other people, sharing your story. We have a lot of really good engagement in here right now, right? Look over here. 23 comments on that post right there, 6 comments on that post, even other members, right? Great. Andrea posted my first video today. That's in the quick wins 7 days ago. Boom, 8 comments, and you get support from the community. What better way to grow your online business in 2024? It's almost February. What better way than joining a community of like-minded people and learning from an affiliate that has made over $350,000 the last couple of years with affiliate marketing, and you'd be learning from that person. All right. Thanks, guys. Long video. Just wanted to share with you guys. Lindo AI. Yeah, go pick up. I think it's pretty good. Link below. And then also, if you want to go check out the 6-Figure Freedom Club page that was built on Lindo, cool. Check it out. Leave a comment below what you think about the page. Did it turn out pretty good? And then also maybe comment below, hey, I'm interested in joining, or I might be joining your club. That'd be really cool. All right. We'll see you guys in the next video.